I am ready for the summer with this beautiful bathing suit. It's a one-piece free sample by Popvil, and I just love it. I like it in black with the neon, so it has a little bit of a color, but it's not too overwhelming. I also like it because I can pull the strings myself and tie it. I like the X on the back because it looks so beautiful, and I can mix it with my favorite cover up. So this is how it looks. It has a little bit of a tummy control here, so you don't need to worry about a big belly or something like that because it does control your belly, and it's very comfortable, very lightweight. I feel that the air flows through the bathing suit very easily, and it has these beautiful stitches here, as you can see, that give them the black color some color, so it's not like super black. I like to match it with my favorite shoes, as you can see here. I feel pretty and comfortable with this bathing suit. They do have different colors, and I recommend you check them out. Thank you for watching.